Hello, people. It's on Homestead here, and I'm doing a little video against for my Zippos that I bought. Well, it's here. Here's the first one I got from. Let's see, just let me flip it around. This one right here. Zippo. I think it's backwards though. Overall, it's a great Zippo. So let's go to my windows. Oh, the air conditioning's on. Nice, smooth. Let's turn it on. Here's my turkey I bought from a friend.
Douchebag friend.
What? So the problem with this right here, it has
Your hamster's so retarded.
It has a leak. So it has a leak. So when I filled it up, it's like a jet lighter. But I filled it up and it was working. It's like, and then I closed it and let go of the thing, and I still heard the, and it wasn't going. It was the fuel. And down here,
still heard the gas going.
right here is a leak there. Right here is a leak. But overall, it was a great lighter. I don't know if I don't think it's Zippo.
No.
Hey, stop.
No. Don't do that. Don't eat him.
Let you get a look.
Because he'll eat you because he's a cannibal. Use that word. No.
So overall, it's great.
No.
The great. What I suggest using for this, it's a survival situation or for the modern people for smoking or
people that are smoking.
Overall, it's a great Zippo, and this was a great one too. But yeah, so this is it's my little Zippo review. So I'm just showing you guys. So there's my Zippo review thumbnail.